So here's the website loaded in my smartphone here, right? So it's just in the browser at the moment. So there's a couple different ways I can do it. Sometimes it will just come up and prompt me. It did a minute ago. I'm doing this recording for the second time, but I can always click the three dots and there we go, install app, right? So once I do that, I can say install. And now it is on my menu. There we go. I can move it to wherever I want. And there it is, loaded as an application as opposed to, right, as opposed to the browser. No Chrome. There it is, it's just an app. Okay. Fully functioning the way I would expect it to be. Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. Okay.